In this video, I'll show you how to do this 2023 recap trend and create these viral videos for your Instagram Reels and TikTok so you can share them with your family and friends. 2023 is almost over and these 2023 videos started popping up like crazy in the TikToks and Instagram Reel feeds, and you can create one for absolutely free. And for this, all you need a TikTok and a CapCut application. If you don't have CapCut, you can go over to your App Store or your Play Store or your Google Play Store and simply download and install the application. And it is completely free. And so for that, all you have to do is just go to your TikTok account. And after that, just click on the search bar from the top right. And here you have to search for 2023 recap. And there you will see there are so many templates available for you to use. So just click any of the template of your choice. Scroll down and see which one do you like the most. For example, I'm taking this one, and you can see this template and the timestamp and everything for that you can use for your TikTok viral video for 2023 recap. So just click on try this template, and this template will open in your CapCut. Just click on use template in CapCut. And as you can see that this template has opened up in your CapCut account. And now just click on use template, and there you have to select your videos and photos of your choice and add these photos and videos in your template. So the first video that you will going to add going to last for 4 seconds. Likewise, the next few pictures and videos will last for like 2 seconds. So this is how the entire template will look. So just go ahead and select the videos and photos for your template and then just click on next. Now as you can see that it has created a video for you, and if you're satisfied with the videos that you are seeing, just click on export and your video will be start saving. And then after that just click on save and share to TikTok, and then your video will be shared to your TikTok account. And this is how you will be able to create a 2023 recap TikTok tutorial while using just 2 applications, and it is very simple and easy process. So I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.